What's up, game traders? Wanted to just jump on here a little bit, have some time this afternoon. I think we have, let's go to all here. So we have some live NFL and we have some live baseball. So you can see two sports at once. This is our main dashboard. Click here, brings you into the chart. Hmm. And I'll just show you what I do up here is our drive sheet. Not doing great on this one. Well, it's the preseason. Let's see, who's the favorite here? Carolina. Let's see. Buffalo's the favorite. All right, so we have Carolina scoring. Let's see. Now remember, this is our guidance. This is not some system or something like that. So don't get all, you know, it works pretty good. I'll have to explain something right now. Carolina has the lightning bolt and they says they will score next. So this might be a good one that they will score. And then also the chart kind of looks like it could do a little C up here. So this might be a trade that you might want to take at Kelce or at DraftKings. And you can see we're holding the 78% retrace, which is exactly where an B wave should stop, right? So let's see if technicals, any other technicals. No positive divergence. There was one here, you see that? And it led to this pop. Here, check this out. So we had a positive divergence, and you see how the signal line moved down, signaling there was going to be a pop up towards Carolina. That was probably the touchdown they scored right here. Let's see if the MACD also had one right here. Okay. This is our spread deviation tool. We print bullseyes when it gets one or two standard deviations above or below the spread to tell you there's value. Right now, this game is staying kind of within normal bounds. We'll come back to this and we'll see how the projection looks. Now, this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Some type of bounce. Cleveland's no good. Oh, the Bears were getting 3.5? Oh, interesting. Wow. I don't see much here. Who's it say? Cleveland's gonna score? Maybe. Maybe it's a little wedgy. We do have a nice positive divergence right here. See if it can hold. Got one on the histogram, but not here yet. I mean, maybe is a little one. We'll have to see if that blows up. But then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. And again, this is preseason, so none of this really matters. We're just we're doing some subtle UI changes, testing everything. Oh, it's turning up. You guys just see that? You can put it on auto refresh right in our tools here. This is where all the different, if you want to pull in the Kelce price line, let's see how if that's working. Oh yeah, beautiful. Nice. So you have Kelce, FanDuel, DraftKings, and our momentum line. And then here's where, your RSIs and your stochastics and all that different kind of stuff is there. So you guys can play around with all these different tools. So we have Cleveland, the score here, and the chart looks pretty good. We have, do they have the lightning bolt? No, they do not have the lightning bolt. So it means that this is a little, uh, less actionable. But do we get 5 down here? Let's see. Yeah, probably, maybe. I don't think there's a divergence there, really. Yeah, that's kind of forcing it. But we have one on the RSI. We have this little mini wedge. But again, no lightning bolt. Now, oh, the lightning bolt switched to Buffalo here too. So you really, and we did a full retracement. So I don't know if this is it's probably an avoid. You can't even, you can only do this on Kalshi now. If you hit the Kalshi button, takes you over to Kalshi where you can trade. But if you want to DraftKings, they don't have this bet until the season starts. So this did a full retrace, so it's not going to be this pattern. You could definitely go up still, but you see that we went below the 78. We did a full retrace. So probably the more important thing on this game is this support. Every time it hit this support, we bounced. And we're there again. So we'll see if we bounce. Trace the whole thing. See if, it's never been able to break out above here, right? Let's see if it can break out. Maybe it needs a little pullback. I like to just go through the games and, oh, we have a tie baseball game. That's cool. I like to size my charts a little differently for baseball. So if you go here and you can pull them in. Let's see here. Hmm. I don't see too much here. This could have been A, B, C, and now we're getting ready to just, yeah, keep going. But actually, when I'm looking at this structure, green would be bullish. Maybe it's more, let's see here. This is A. This is B. And we're going to get C down towards Detroit. Let's look at how they rank. Detroit's 15th and OPS is 11th overall. It's pretty good. They're 6-4 last 10. White Sox are ranked 11th and 10th in OPS, so they're pretty even. So let me see what the fib looks like though. Did it do the full? It's right at the 78%. Needs to turn down right now. If it turns down right now, we could still have the green and it goes boom, boom, meaning Detroit gets a few men on, they don't score, then they run with it. Or we could see a very strong turn down here towards Detroit to win the entire game. Oh, this would be the White Sox moving up. So let's give that some time. Oh, we got another 3-3 tie. And the Yankees just started, just went live. I don't see much here. Going back to here. Oh, we're tightening up a little. Now you see how the chart's very small? So I'll go and I'll just move it out a little bit. Maybe not that much. Maybe something like that. There you go. Oh, it's looking like it could break out. RSI is 30. MACD doesn't look great. All right, we'll see. And Cleveland couldn't do anything. Maybe they'll let Cleveland score one touchdown at the end. It's sort of looking like it wants to pop. The MACD, RSI, nothing great there. Oh, we're finally getting a breakout. So Minnesota's breaking out now to the highest it's been. Got a little negative divergence here though. So maybe this high doesn't stick. See that? Against this. Little negative divergence. MACD is pretty extended. Oh, White Sox went ahead. Nice. That busts up this one. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, we're working on this first wave up. I don't see much in this one. Now the Cubs have been doing good. They're ranked 5th, OPS 3, so very strong. St. Louis, OPS sucks, middle of the pack. So we'll see if we see any trades set up for Cubs. Right now, they have the momentum. And then we need some time here for the Yankee game. See here if Carolina could break out. It's trying. See it? Little wedge into the support line. You see the wedge? Hmm. Come on, Giants. I'm going to turn this game on. Giants. Now we're wedging a bit. For a pop for Cleveland. Need the MACD to get going a little bit. Minnesota. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't even watch that game? That's lame. Bears. Oh, I can watch the Bears game. Usually I do red zone. Oh, Cleveland's breaking out a little. See the breakouts happening before? Before I show 4th down right now. Still have the positive divergence. So Cleveland should score. We have them will score. We don't have the lightning bolt. Okay, which means momentum. Which is clear that the momentum is down. We need a shift to actually change the lightning bolt. The lightning bolt gives you a little confidence on the actual trend, the momentum. Carolina trying to break out. Oh, wow. That was in 4th and 2. Nice. It's going to come back in. Yeah, see? Tucked its head right back in. Kind of blew up the pattern. See? And you have plenty of time for these trades to kind of let the chart develop right into the fourth down, or in baseball, until the inning ends or gets real close to ending. Probably one more little pump coming, and then maybe Detroit can tie it up again. That would be cool. Carolina's looking decent. Come back to this. We'll see here on the we busted that, but we're way overbought. I think the Yankees, the Giants might look like they could score. They're just maxed out on everything here. Be back in a few seconds here. All right, what do we got going on here? So Carolina couldn't do it. MACD looks terrible on this. So he wants to just puke to the downside. I think this game just ended. Yeah, there was nothing here. We came out strong and then the Bears just destroyed them. It's good. I'm a Bears fan. This looks like New York could score one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, I think the Giants have a score in them. Come on, Giants, Cubs. White Sox holding on to it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah. This looks really good for the White Sox to finish this game off. No negative divergence. See, this is a not a negative divergence if the line isn't higher. Looks kind of like a cup and handle. Looks like a wave B or wave 4. Like the White Sox are going to score again. Oh, we had St. Louis come back. Good. I like to set up for now this might be interesting now for the Cubs. Who do the Cubs have up? Let me tighten this up. Cubs have 3, 4, 5. Hmm. I'll show you what I see on the Cubs. It looks like we got A. This is B. And then maybe we come down here for C. And let's run the Fibonacci. See where it stopped. Right at the 38, 50%. Let's see. Maybe the Cubs can come back and score this next inning. In the fifth, bottom of the fifth, the Cubs to score. Yankees should beat Toronto. Buffalo scores again. Yeah. No good for Carolina. No good for Cleveland. Giants have a shot here. We have no guidance though. If they get a fifth up, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it would mean St. Louis. It's got more to go, so we have to see here if this hits another new high or not. Not enough here yet. Oh, turning down. Still could be wave 2 or B. I don't think Detroit is going to score. Let's look at that. Maybe I could put that game on. Detroit. No outs, man on first. Oh, we got a negative divergence on the MACD though. Oh, I just got 2 outs and I called it, right? That Detroit probably wasn't going to score. Do have a negative divergence there with the signal, and that could have been what this drop is. But the pattern doesn't look complete. A, B, A, B, C. It looks like a B wave here or wave 2. And the White Sox are going to win the game. The line's just going to creep, or they're going to score again. I just don't see a high probability setup here. Oh, the White Sox have 1, 2, 3 coming to bat too. So bet your White Sox, they're probably gonna get out of this inning, and they have a very good. Yep, there it goes. Exactly. Perfect. That was a good call. Detroit had a man on base, no outs. They just got a double play, 2 outs, and we'll see what happens here. But it held my 2. I had that 2 there perfectly, right? Right around the 50%. Where did it get to on the Fibonacci? Let's see. Right to the 50, almost to the 50. Look at, see that? Is that amazing? And then it had a rally. So definitely expecting him to get out. Oh, it's turning down. Cubbies. Let's see. Yep. Strike 3. Good call, Todd. You like that kind of analysis? Cubs, do you have anyone up? 1 out, man on first. What do they pay you? Plus 180? Alright, I'll take $10 on that. Ah, that was the 1 out. And then if it goes up, if it does this A, B, it could still be that the B is also here. Let's see. Or we're going to see a turn down. Either way, I think the Cubs are going to come back. Oh, Yankees have someone on base. Still no pattern there. What about these Giants? What can they do? All right, still okay. We'll see if they can hold Minnesota. Oh, the Giants have the ball. Giants have the ball. Carolina. Maybe. I mean, way oversold. Yeah, really oversold. Maybe they'll let Carolina score. Ah, White Sox got a man on base already. Shit. Told you. On White Sox. Look at that. That's perfect. And now it's rallying. They got a man on first. No outs. There's the single White Sox. We'll see here on the Cubs. This could have been A, B, and then it actually St. Louis gets a man or two on base. Then I think the Cubs. And who do they have up next? 6, 7, 8. Carolina, no good. No good. Nothing happening. White Sox man on first. No outs. We'll watch this game. We watch the St. Louis game. Cubs. Cool. Oh man, the White Sox, they threw a guy out. Ooh, nice catch. The Yankees went up 1-0. Took a little pullback and then another move up for Yankees. They got 1, 2, 3 thumb in the bat. Let's see if Toronto can like get some guys on, but then I think it's gonna pop up here, the Yankees again. Oh, there we go. Perfect though. A, B, there it is. Let's get the white this Cubs game on again. St. Louis must have a guy on. Yeah, no outs. All right, let's see if they get out of this inning. If they do, then the Cubs might be a good one. 6, 7, 8. Not great, but it's all about the chart because even in this pattern right here, so we have the A, but look at the little A. See it? Okay. But they got to get everybody out. They need a double play here or a strikeout. 2-2. Oh, everybody been up since 6. Worked out. Don't think the Giants have one in them. One out. All right. Got the lead runner. Go back to this. Okay. Making a little turn down like it should. Oh. 2 outs. This is going to be a nice trade here. I put this in the chat. As long as they get this guy out, otherwise it screws the chart up. Trade set up at Chicago Cubs. Huh. I'm giving you plus 145. Only giving you plus 145. It's almost like they know charting, but that's the cool thing. They're doing it a different way. Probabilities and math and all that. And we're doing it using the technicals on the live odds. No, the Cubs are good. No, I just want to know 130. They get them out? Oh, they got them out. I'm going to take this one. Plus 130. Put it on the chart. There we go. Come on. So we held the 62% retrace. We have an ABC structure. Cubs are a better team. I don't love the batting order part, 6, 7, 8, but the sport book seems to agree with me. I don't think the Yankees are gonna score just yet. I think like maybe in this inning here. Come on, Giants. A little bit of a head and shoulders pattern. Let me show you. Got a hump, and a hump. Okay. And then let's see. Put a little. There we go. See, come on, my Giants. Let's do it. There we go. Something's happening. See, we're getting a little breakdown from the head and shoulders. See that? See that see this poppy head and shoulders pattern? Broke the neckline. We had the B right here. Now, it doesn't mean they're necessarily going to score. They could get all the way down to the 5 yard line and go for it on 4th and 3, and 4th and 4, and not score. But I can't see the game. Maybe I can go up here. All right, Giants have the ball. Current drive, 2nd and 7. All right, let's see if they can do it. Remember, Cubs we have here, no outs. Oh man, what a lame swing, dude. Oh, the other ball game must have ended. Why are you jogging like that? You suck. I hate these guys, like these egos. That was the lamest fucking swing I've ever seen. And you're just jogging off the field. Crow Armstrong. Yeah, everyone loves him, but that was terrible, dude. And you're at home losing in the 9th inning. Oh, 5th inning, sorry. Oh, that must have been a White Sox game, right? Yeah. Oh, what are the Giants doing? 1st and 10, 2nd and 6. All right. Thought the Giants could have one score in them. But see how we're approaching that B right here? See that? At the 50 yard line. So again, they can get real close and not score. But the chart's playing out. There was a slight negative divergence. Did the signal line get higher here versus there? Line right there. You can't touch it. Versus there? I don't think so. That could be it for the Giants. Come on, what do they got? 3rd and 5 after 36. And we got 3-1, one out to the. Oh, yeah, Crow. That was a terrible at bat, bro. All right, this is looking okay for the Cubs right here. It's doing what it should. See how it's starting to turn down off the red B? Oh, also, I just noticed. See the negative divergence? See how this went lower, but the signal line went higher? That's good. That's another good sign for the Cubs. I have it on the histogram here. All right. That's all you can do. Setup is there. Big swing right here. 1 and 2. One out. Nice. Now we're starting to just flag out. So Yankees gonna score, but I don't know when it's gonna be. See? This could be just a B wave before we see a C up. Let's see what the batting order looks like. So this happens. Well, the Yankees have someone on base. Oh, they just struck that guy out too. What happened to the Giants? Must have been a penalty. Pushed them back. Nah, no good. Game cast 2 outs for the Yanks. And who's up? Number 3. So we have 4, 5, 6. They get him out. Oh man, the Cubs, dude. See what I told you? Those are little tricks you got to learn. So even though the projection was down here, we got it, but the Giants suck. And they must have got a penalty on the 36-yard line, third down, and then the line shot right up. So that's it. That's all I was forecasting, but it did play out, but not for a bet. I wouldn't have taken that. And we had no guidance too. Yeah, look at where it stopped. Isn't that amazing? Look at folks, right at the 38%. I mean, right there. That's amazing, isn't it? Why this line would stop right at that Fibonacci? Oh man, Cubs, dude. Now this is gonna break up, maybe. Maybe this was like this. That was a fail. Now maybe St. Louis. Or I get a couple guys on. What's going on with the Yankees? Yeah, Yankees got out. Yeah, I thought so. But this could like flag out for another inning, and then it pops. Yankees have 4, 5, 6 coming up the bat next. This game's over. This game's over. This game's over. All right, good stuff. I would like the RSI to come down just a little bit and relax this inning. And then the Yankees might be set up nicely. See, we're right in this trend line. St. Louis might score this inning, or at least get like a couple guys on base. That's what it looks like. And what did I say, folks? Baseball is amazing. There it is. Oh, Cubbies. Now you screwed everything up. There's the C wave right there. That was my projection of where it was going to go. It went to here. That's it. We could take all this off. Now, the good news for Cubs fans is after this completes and it completed exactly how it should, we should get a pullback. So let's see if they can get out of this inning. And it would look like this. Now this is big A. Now we're looking for a big B down into here. Let's see what else we got going on here. Clearly a negative divergence. Now there'll be another one right here. Should be. Have a little one here. Cubs have, oh, 1, 2, 3 coming back. Wow, they got through the, oh, because it was 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. Oh, perfect. That's what we want to see on this game, too. Toronto, one out. So the Yankees are looking good and the Cubs are looking good. We're looking for this up, which means it's going to go towards New York. And the C up. We're not overbought anymore. That's good. So we'll keep an eye on this one with one out. And then the White Cubs here with one out also. And the football is all over. Cool. Now let's just focus on the MLB. Football is bullshit right now. One out. Man on first and second with Toronto. Let's check that out. Okay. I had the B wave there, right? Let's see if they can get out of this inning. Needs a hold right here, so we cannot have the Blue Jays score. They need a double play. Number 3 batter is up. Kirk. Another home run? Holy moly. What kind of sea wave is this? Damn. Woo. That is powerful. Now, the sea wave is always the most powerful wave. Let me show you that. Uh, ABC pattern. Uh, There's a good example. Here's an example, maybe. I don't know what stock this happens. Trading ABC pattern. There we go. So here's the A, B, C, and then oh, that's not good. That's not how I do it. Yeah, let's see. This is better. I want to see a correction up, not down. I'm going to show you guys an example here. This would be A. Yeah, so he has the B there and then the C up. All right, back to the Yankees. One out for the Cubs. They're definitely gonna pull him, right? I hope so. This looks really good, though. If they don't get any more runs. Oh, Toronto tied it up. Oh, busted this pattern too. They can't take the Yankees now. Not to say they can't score, just not tradable. This one still is, though. If they can get out of this inning. One out, nobody on. Strike Thornton can't throw. We'll hang and we'll see if the Cubs can do one here. Nice. 2 outs. No negative divergence though. But we are maxed. What's the reading on this? You come over here, you can put on tooltips here, and you can hover right on it. And we're at a 95.2 RSI. Pretty maxed. And the Cubs have 1, 2, 3 coming to bat. This is a good one. They got to be pissed and embarrassed at home, no? Don't you think? All right, let's see. We'll hang with this one, and we'll see if the Cubs can score. And they should score a couple runs, maybe, to make this come back at least into this 38% retrace down into here. Here's the MACD look like. Just maxed out. No divergences on the MACD. But kind of like A, B, A, B, C. We're maxed out on the MACD and the RSI. And they have 1, 2, 3 coming in bat. It's a good setup. Colorado, San Francisco. These teams both suck. Let's see. 28th versus 26th, and an OPS 5. Oh, Colorado's 5 on OPS? Okay. They hit the ball, get on base, they just can't close the games. I'm interested in his Cubs. Two outs for Toronto. Yankees aren't even up yet. Hmm. Dude, it wasn't even in, man. You didn't challenge it, dude? It would have been 2 and 0. Come on, Hap. That's 3 and 0, dude. This guy's got a pitch count 88. Come on. It's time to make a mistake. Should be on base. Yeah, that's a walk right there, dude. Better get on base, bro, because you should have a walk. Ah, he's gonna fucking whiff. That was another fucking ball, dude. Two of them you didn't fucking challenge. Dude, now he's gonna fucking whiff. These fucking guys, man. MLB's a joke, dude. These fucking guys. Strike out, strike out, strike out. Hey, you fucking called two fucking strikes. They were balls, dude. And now he's gonna whiff. See it? Fuck! I knew it. Fucking suck, dude. Damn it. What a shit at bat. Shitty. Fuck, man. You challenge anything and you fucking swing at that shit? Guys, man. Oh, this is off, dude. Oh, no. Yeah. Damn, we don't have the top of the order. That's why this happened, dude. Great. Yankees are bouncing up. What do they got going on? Just because they're up. Oh, one out. Yeah, Toronto is gonna come back. Washington and the Mets, they both suck. Washington's middle of the road, but sucky. Yeah, 20th versus 25th. Oh, but Washington's OPS is 1. How can you have OPS of 1 and suck? I guess your pitching must suck, and defense must suck. Let's see, who do Yankees have up? 6. 4, 5, 6. 2 outs. Okay, this is right for the Yankees. The Yankees are right here. 4, 5, 6. This game wasn't right. You guys suck, Cubs. That was my problem. There's a tech glitch here. 4, 5, 6 is up next? No, that's not right. Something happened. No, it's 8, 9. Yeah, 8, 9, 1. I don't think St. Louis scores this inning. I still think the Cubs have one run in them. This should still bounce for the Yanks, but it doesn't look great for them right now. I'll come back in a few here. All right, they're doing the seventh inning stretch. This is it. They have 8-9-1. We got a max RSI. It looks like it wants to roll over for that B. MACD looks good and rolling over. I think Toronto's going to score one more time. This is the game we want to concentrate on. Let's see if they can do it. Nothing going on in these and there's shit games. Are there any other NFL games on? Oh, we do. Let's put them all up. Let's favorite this one, favorite this one, and favorite the football games. Now we can go to favorites, and boom, they're all here. We have New Orleans or Jacksonville to score. Next possession. All right, here we go, Cubs. Let's do it. Come on, guys. Get a little rally going. New pitcher, right? Oh, that's good because you guys have sucked against that last pitcher. Been a joke. Oh, come on. Dude, does this coach want to talk to these guys? Man, it's so interesting what happens here in August, September. Boston's not doing well. There's going to be some movement around as we go forward the next 4 or 6 weeks. I mean, he's swinging at that. It was high. You're going to whiff. What does he have like a, why do they have all these smirks and stuff? Not hustling off the field, not hustling down the first when you hit a grounder. Like prima donnas, dude. This guy's smirking and he fucking had two shitty swings. Oh, we got Kansas City to score. See if they can do it. Oh, and you're the number 8 batter too. Interesting. After this inning, I'm gonna go take a little nap since I have 0 people watching right now. All right, Jacksonville to score. Kansas City. Can I watch the Kansas City game? Chiefs. Oh, cool. We can watch it. Sweet. One out at the Cubs, right? Oh, he got on base somehow? Oh, he beat it out? Oh, wow. That's amazing. All right. The game signal's rolling over a little bit, like I thought it would, but whether they can close it out, we'll see. Toronto. This is begging for Toronto. So if the Yankees don't do anything here, who does Toronto have up next? Oh my God, a double play. First pitch. Toronto's 9-1-2 coming up next. Oh, there goes that. All right, Cubs couldn't do it. Now we got the B wave in place for the Yankees. Yankees have no outs, man out first. Let's see if they can do it. All right, we got the Blue Jays setting up for the sea leg down. Let's see if they do it. And St. Louis scored again. UKC. Oh, we got a little wedge here for Jacksonville. I've seen these before play out. Let's see if Jacksonville can score next. I usually like to open up the football a little bit more. There we go. Oh, it's nice. Okay. KC maybe rolls over into here. KC has the lightning bolt. There's no trend in this game just yet. There's no lightning bolt. We don't do lightning bolt with baseball. Wow, Cubs. Wow. Saturday game at home. No, can't force it. This would be sweet for a little Cubs action, get them excited, and come right back to the trend line. And then St. Louis still wins the game. Worn out for Toronto. Got their number one guy up now. All right, Sterling saying watch Toronto. One of our AI agents in here. Wow, nice play, shortstop. Yeah, well, guys, you gotta go and get some hits. Another home run. Another home run. Oof. Well, Toronto went down real quick. That's bad. All right, let's see here. Oh, we got Sterling coming on 2 minutes ago. Watch the Cubs. All right, saying watch the Cubs, which I agree. Oh, Jacksonville broke out a little wedge, see? Doesn't mean they're going to score, but that's pretty good. Well, the line's not going to move much because there's no way the Cubs are going to win at 8-3. Could they get a pullback into here and make it 8-5? Yeah, that's possible. But they're going to need a lot of movement. They're going to have to get some men on base, get something going here. Home run? Up off the wall. All right, finally, Cubbies. All right. All right, turn down a little, see? We finally got some movement. I mean, Cubs have to be respected because they're so much better, but in order to really see this turn down, and look at now the RSI has a nice divergence there. Look at we're rolling over, plus we have a divergence, so Cubs should really put a couple points on the board. I don't know about all this inning, but it's looking good so far. Man on second, no outs. Damn, you didn't see that, bro. Oh, nice. Way to stay off of that. Oh, KC's got the ball and the lightning bolt, and it says score. So this is a good one. And we got the C down. So definitely think Kansas City. We'll switch to that real quick in a second here. Oh no. Beat it out. Beat it out. Beat it out. Yes. Woo! And we got the third too. Finally. Attaboy, Cubs. Kind of lucky, but whatever. Let's see if the line turned down. Finally. It's been hell. All right, Cubs. It's been a hell of a bunch of innings. You're finally turning down a little bit on the game signal. Let's see if we can finally get a run. And I told you this inning, I thought maybe the final score 8-6, maybe something like that, 8-5. Well, they should get a couple of runs. Hopefully, it's this inning. They have a nice setup. Unless they get a double play. Do not want a double play. Man, on first and third, no outs. Nothing stupid here. Yeah, make this guy throw some strikes, dude. He's sucking ass. We got all the setup here. Perfect. Sterling, watch. Let's see what KC's doing. Oh, Jacksonville did score. Oh, look at that little wedge breakout. Beautiful. Look at that. See? And then usually comes back and tests. Kind of was a test. Jacksonville's looking pretty good here on the chart. Like they might score again. Well, we have no guidance right now in New Orleans. And KC, not looking good. Come on, KC. Let's do it. Let's see what's going on with the KC game. Third and 7. Oh, first and 10. They got a first down. All right, KC. Come on, baby. First and 10 on the 33. All right, looking pretty good. There we go. See? Turning down towards the C wave. But it's not a done deal. Double play. And they scored. Finally. All right, there's our one run with 2 outs. Nice. That's how we do it. Let's check out this game signal. Should have came down a little more and then up for the 2 outs. So that right there, they put down Cubs plus 180. All right, not bad. This took forever. And that was that run right there. All right, that's it. On this one, maybe it's going to take a little more time. This might have been A, B, and it has to come up for the Yankees one time. Like they get some men on, they don't score, and then come back towards Toronto. But Yankees aren't looking great here. This game is shit. Let's just see if KC. Oh, there goes Jacksonville. Let's get over to the Jacksonville game. Jaguars. Oh, third and goal. Jaguars out of the ball. Nice. And it says if Jacksonville scores, you're going to take New Orleans. So the next drive, we're showing you at New Orleans. If Jacksonville scores, even a field goal or a touchdown, you're going to take New Orleans. But we had this beautiful falling wedge right here. Let's just open this up a little. Beautiful falling wedge. Breakout test. And it's taken off. We even had a little bit of a positive divergence. Maybe? Not really. This could have been A, B. Let's see, can Kansas City score? Chiefs first and 10 on the 33. Let's put this game on. Chiefs second and 5. All right, let's see if the game signal is continuing down. Still hasn't broken this yet, so what are they doing here? I don't know. Do they always just do they? No, they want to kick the field goals when they're supposed to, right? Even in preseason. Second and 5. Oh, Jacksonville scored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then New Orleans, and we're showing New Orleans to score. Oh, no guidance. Oh, okay. No guidance on New Orleans. Oh, I know why. Okay, pretty sure. 9 to 7. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Cool. Everything's working good on our end. Let's see if Chiefs can score. First down. Put it back. Mm, I'm loving this. What does that mean? Fumble or interception or something weird? Getting a little oversold. Still can go more, but this is sort of morphing into something a little different now. Hope it's not. Hopefully it's not that. That'd be an interception. Oh, all right. Come on, game signal. Blow up my pattern. Let's do it. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up. There it goes. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, defensive. Defensive holding. Sweet. First down. Nice. Come on, baby. This still looks like Jacksonville. So I'm glad we have no guidance. New Orleans sucks. Didn't they suck last year? This is rolling over. I don't know when we're gonna finally get this to puke out. Well, we got nothing on this one. Nothing to do. That was their chance. Yeah, nice score. Woo! There we go. All right, and the pattern's complete. Just see what it did to the game signal. I think it's gonna come. Oh no! Holding. Kansas City. Starting to look like that little bit of a. Are they gonna fumble or do something stupid down here? Trying to break out. And what's the RSI doing? Damn, we're getting maxed out. What are they gonna do here? Hmm. Not interception. Oh, look at that. Sack. Oh God. Oh man, trying to rip the ball out. That didn't look too good, dude. Oh, it's breaking out towards the Rams. Second and goal. Why would it be doing this? We even have a little bit of a falling wedge here. Yeah. Come on. I don't know why it's doing this. Because it looks like on the field, they got what? Second and goal? Oh man. Oh, they almost intercepted it. Wow, that would have been a great call based on the signal. Third and goal. Come on, coach. What's going on? Oh man, that wasn't good. Oh, we're gonna try to kick a field goal. I don't know what the rules are, and I'm assuming so. Does he miss this? Like, I don't know why the game signal's breaking out towards the Rams. Look at wedge breakout on RSI, wedge breakout here. But we did have them scoring. Oh, they did score. Sweet. Nice. All right, we're 1 for 1. Kansas City, we had them to score in the fourth drive and then the sixth drive, and they scored in the sixth drive. Pretty cool. It still looks like A, B, C, more Jacksonville. I'm gonna sign. Oh, and then finally Toronto's rolling. Or it's rolling towards Toronto. Let's just check that out before I get out off here for myself, basically. Oh, Toronto's got one out, man on first and second. Yep. So remember I told you they were gonna go ahead? Let's just watch this happen. Yankees. And then we can show you some projections we did. Yankees. Okay, let's see if Toronto can score. So we had the Chiefs scoring. We had this ABC played out perfectly. Now it looks like we're turning back up towards the Rams. We don't have any guidance here unless the Rams score. We saw the little wedge here in Jacksonville. They broke out and they scored. I don't know, it was, I guess 2 field goals or a touchdown. They missed the field goal. We told you Toronto was going to score. 2 outs, man on second, first and second. They may not score, but just look how it came right back to the support. So if it hits that, then maybe Yankees got it in them. Who do they have up next? 4, 5, 6. Looks like they're not going to score now, Toronto. The way this held right here. Yep. The Cubs are too far gone. Yeah, let me put the labels on this. I think Jacksonville's going to score again. Like that. Then maybe we can go back. Maybe New Orleans can come back a little bit. 'And that's how KC keeps it going. This was a B wave. This is A, B, C for Kansas City. And Toronto can't do it, I don't think. 1 and 2. Man up first and second, but we're holding the support. See it? That sets up the Yankees next inning. This is the support holding. That's what I think is going to happen. They're not going to score this inning. Let's see. And then the Yankees might come back and score because it held. Two and two. Oh, hold it. Nice rip, but well, Rams are doing something. But that could have been the B wave. And our guidance says if the Rams score, then we take the Chiefs. And there's the out for Toronto. Nice call. Yankees probably gonna come back now. 4-5-6. So this is gonna be. I don't think this is gonna play out anymore. They had too much time. Now we're holding support, and the Yankees are gonna go. Yankees, sixth place. All right, thanks for watching. I'll probably be on tomorrow again. Take care.